What's up everyone? Just over a month ago, I switched from Samsung to Apple. In today's video, I will be explaining why I switched, what I think after having owned both Apple and Samsung, and why maybe you guys should switch too.
This summer came and went in a day, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side.
Before starting this video, I'd like to please ask you guys to like, comment, and share this video. This allows me to create better content in the future and really helps my channel out. Switching from Samsung to Apple was really surprising, especially for me. I'd always been a Samsung user, and quite frankly, I never really liked Apple. If you're noticing that my bedroom doesn't look completely done quite yet, with a window removed and everything, that's because our family is remodeling our house right now. If you want to see a more in-depth look at what we're doing to our house and want to see like the whole house, then check out the video I made earlier, which I'll put a link right up here or in the description below. If you've already seen the video that I made and want to see the progress on it now, then leave a comment down below as to what you might want to see in the next video. Okay, now let's get back on track to the real reason I made this video. Comparing Samsung and Apple and why I made the switch. So the main reason for switching from Samsung to Apple was to communicate better with my friends. So I've always had the problem of not being able to be added to group chats with more than 10 iPhone users. This was really a problem as most of my friends were iPhone users and I really needed a way to communicate with them. Okay, so we did not just go off and buy a brand new iPhone. First of all, the new iPhones are really expensive. And second of all, I didn't want to switch from Samsung. I really loved Samsung, and I always imagined switching to Apple would be a much worse experience than Samsung, and I didn't want to have that experience. So for many years, we tried to troubleshoot this issue by talking to tech support and different helpful techies, but none of them were able to help. So over the holidays, I finally broke down and switched to the dark side. Okay, so what do I think after having switched? Well, sadly enough, I can't say I hate it. Even though there are some things that I know Samsung does a little bit better, they're really minimal, and I like a lot of things that Apple does. For example, the first thing is Apple's amazing ecosystem. That is how well all of Apple's products communicate with one another. For example, the iMessage is amazing, and I wish Samsung and Android had a way to compete with this because iMessage is just the best. Okay, another thing that has to do with the ecosystem is how well my Apple Watch communicates with my iPhone. I owned a Galaxy Watch before, and even though I like the Galaxy Watch a little bit better, the ease of use with the Apple Watch and just how well and how easy they communicate with one another just makes it so much better to use and just makes an amazing user experience. Okay, second is Apple's iOS operating system. Apple's iOS operating system is so amazing because it's so easy and intuitive to use. You never have to worry about giving your iPhone to someone else to take a picture of you because it's so easy. Also, my mom was able to easily adapt to the new operating system after having been a lifelong Samsung user. This was actually really amazing because my mom never learns technology this quickly. I'm still helping my mom how to use YouTube TV and how to even turn on the TV with the different smart TV boxes that we use. Third is Apple just seems to create amazing products. Apple does a great job designing their products as well as their packaging. They have great color options, and their materials just seem like really nice quality. All of this, in total, it helps create an amazing user experience and a product that you will for sure love. Also, Apple just has such a large amount of influence over the rest of the market that even products like the AirPods or the Notch that seem ugly at first start to become even like fashion statements or trends throughout the rest of the market, with other brands quickly copying their designs just a few months after their releases. Okay, lastly, I've always read and heard that Apple doesn't offer much customization compared to other Android brands such as Samsung. This may be true, however, since I've switched, I haven't noticed this much at all. This may be because I'm just not a huge customization guy. I still have the stock wallpaper on my iPhone, but since I've switched, I haven't noticed this at all, and for me, it's not a huge downside. So, in conclusion, after having tried both, I do really love my iPhone. But I also love my Samsung, and it was my daily driver for many years, and it did a great job. Okay, if I had to choose, I would choose my Apple for some tasks, but I would also choose my Samsung for other different situations. These days, many phones are really similar. It all comes down to what your personal preferences are and what you're looking for. No matter what you're looking for, you'll find a great phone that suits your needs. Whether it would be you need to be part of the Apple ecosystem, or if you really need the customization that Samsung and other Android brands offer. No matter what you're looking for, you'll find a great phone that suits your needs. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps my channel out. Also, I just got brand new A Burger Film stickers. I think they're super awesome. Leave a comment down below if you also think they're super awesome, or they're a complete waste of money, because that's something I sometimes tend to do, and it will definitely be a reoccurring theme in my future videos. So stay tuned to watch me waste all my money on some ridiculously awesome thing, or at least that I think is awesome. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.